If you want a fast way to mute and unmute your microphone in Discord without hunting through menus, this guide is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Discord microphone toggle mute key binding step by step, so you can silence your mic instantly with just one key press. This is super useful for gaming, streaming, recording, or anytime you need quick control over your voice input. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Discord desktop app on your computer. This feature is set up inside the desktop version of Discord, so make sure you're not in the browser version. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon for user settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your account voice and shortcut settings. After you're in user settings, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Keybind section. Click on Keybinds and you'll see the area where Discord lets you create custom keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are great because they save time and make it much easier to control Discord while you're multitasking. Now, click Add a Keybind. This will create a new shortcut slot that you can customize. Next, look for the Action option. Click the Action drop-down menu and choose Toggle Mute. This is the setting that makes your microphone switch between muted and unmuted every time you press the assigned key. Once you've selected Toggle Mute, click the empty key box next to it. Now press the key you want to use on your keyboard. A simple option like F6 works well, but you can also use something like Ctrl+M if that's more convenient for you. Just make sure it's a key combination you can reach easily during calls, games, or streams. If Discord shows a stop recording button after you press your key, click that to finish capturing the shortcut. At this point, your keybind should be saved and ready to use. From now on, whenever you press that key, Discord will instantly mute or unmute your microphone. This is a really helpful setup if you need quick voice control without clicking around in the app. It can help you avoid background noise, handle interruptions faster, and keep your communication smooth during voice chats. If you want even more control, you can create additional keybinds later for actions like push to mute or deafen, depending on how you use Discord. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Discord microphone toggle mute key binding. Now you can control your mic instantly with a single press, which makes Discord much more efficient to use. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.